you have to build your network. So that's why I encouraged you all. Definitely connect with me. Start commenting on things. Maybe there's some ways we could work together. But if you're not engaging with me, that's my least favorite thing is people will send me a LinkedIn connection and then I never hear from them again. So first off, for those of you, go back to your goal, review who's in your current network, and then who do you have in your network? Who do you want in your network? If you're trying to meet more buyers for a certain kind of business because you sell a product, then you need to see that. I'm looking for event planners and speakers. So, do I have those in my network? Do I need more of them? Think about that. You have to look at that. And by the way, I'm going to go to the live version, but remember, this page right there at that very top is my networking. You can look through all of that. Leverage the search tool. Start searching. Anytime someone I meet, by the way, I went to an event in Boston a couple weeks ago at Harvard, and we all pulled our LinkedIn. You hit the next to your search. There's a little icon there, and it pulls up the QR code for your profile, so you can actually connect right there on LinkedIn. Love that. Leverage a search tool. Look people up. Connect with them live at events. Great way to build your network. Look at people who follow larger people. So I love this tip. Is if you follow Seth Godin, you're not going to get him to work directly with you unless you have lots and lots of money. But I could look at who's following Seth Godin and say, maybe I should follow you so you learn more about me. So think through, like, look at some of those bigger names out there and start to see who's following them, and then maybe look through some of their followers' information. Um, Review the profiles that you are, connected with, and consider them. Look at the people you're clicking on, consider following them, and then after I follow you a little bit, then I send the connection. And I'm going to tell you why. I don't know if anyone's ever noticed this, um, but, and I'm going to talk about this too. So I'm going to jump over to LinkedIn. And if I have too much energy for people, forgive me. I'm sorry. So thank you for those of you sending me invites. I love this. But what's great is when someone's sending me things to my network right now to connect, one of the things that it'll tell you is one, if I have mutual connections, and then two, I'm going to hit show all. So apologies if someone doesn't want their stuff seen, but you will find. Oh, hi guys. It will actually tell you if the person is following you, and then it will also tell you how active they were. So now, those of you who've been sending stuff over, one of the things that comes up a lot, and this is a varying opinion on who you listen to. I was listening to a LinkedIn webinar advice from someone, and they say send blank requests because, and his reasoning was that when it's blank, the person goes and looks at your profile. I understand his reasoning, but I'm a personalization person and I teach personalization. So I believe you should add a note and mention why you want to connect, and be don't try and sell me right away. So, like, I haven't read some of the things that you guys are sending me. So, thank you, Michael, for sending over connection. I love it. I think that was Caitlin. Love this. Thank you both. But one thing that I do like is, like, let me know, like, don't try and sell me. I actually have a post that I put up that's like, stop sending, like, hey, hire $15 hour developers. Like, those people, I don't ever accept them. So the notes mean a lot to me, personally. And that's why I am not an open networker. So I wanted to bring it back to why I'm not an open networker.